So, good afternoon, sir. Answering the assessment. So, how can you define a simple root in Laravel and what should be a like example? Example, like an ORM in Laravel, simplest database and interaction by mapping database table to models, enabling developers to perform queries relationship and code operation using a expressive syntax instead of SQL. Then number 2, how do you name roots work in Laravel and how you might use them in real world application. So Laravel handle HTTP requests through its routing system, while developer define routes in web.php or API.php. Routes map URL to control action, closure, or view, simplifying request handling. So number 3, what is the purpose of routes group in Laravel and how might they be used? So Blade Laravel is templating engine that allow the dynamic content rendering templates and inheritance reusable components. It simplifies view management, reduces redundancy, and integrates seamlessly with the Laravel backend and data handling. And sir, in number 4, how does middleware work in Laravel? And can you provide a practical example? So, examples are in Laravel provides security through CSRF protection, input validation password, hassling SQL injection prevention, encryption authentication, and a middleware. These features safeguard web application against common vulnerabilities and unauthorized access attacks. So, how can you handle from submission and CSRF? This is number 5, sir. Protection in Laravel. Laravel support task scheduling using its scheduler, defined in app console kernel.php. Developers schedule repetitive tasks such as email or database cleanup with a expressive syntax instead of relying on the external coin jobs. And that's all, sir. Thank you for watching.